It was in 1980 when they first put the words attention deficit to its name and realized it was rather a problem of the brain's management system and executive function. Another important thing to know while trying to understand ADHD is that it has got nothing to do with the individual's IQ. It can happen to anyone who has high, average, below average, slow. The person can be on any side of the spectrum and still have the trouble doing the basics. It is defined as one of the most common neurodevelopmental disorders of childhood. It is usually first diagnosed in childhood and often lasts into adulthood. Children with ADHD may have trouble paying attention, controlling impulsive behaviors, meaning like they act without thinking about what the results will be, or be overly active. Symptoms of ADHD can be understood as follows. They can't stay focused for long. One of the most common symptoms of ADHD is that individuals have a major problem with staying tuned to one thing, be it a meeting, a lecture, a book. Their mind is unable to stick around. As a result, they register only half of the things from that activity. Being distracted. For many, distractions might seem like a very common thing. Some might not even consider it a real problem, but with ADHD it is. It is largely misunderstood and ill-treated by most parents, guardians and teachers as they think the child is just not paying attention. Being organized. This is another common problem experienced by people with ADHD. For many, it is difficulty in organizing their things. It can be as simple as arranging their backpack for the next morning or their filing system, living space, work desk, etc. Subjective memory. The problem with ADHD is not with long-term memory storage, but the short-term working memory. Working memory is what you depend on when you go to the other room to find something. But people with ADHD would forget and stand clueless why they came into the room in the first place. There are a lot more such problems that people experience as a result of having ADHD, and these were just some of them explained. So what can be done? It is extremely important to get it diagnosed right and understand the areas where the individual with ADHD faces challenges with. Consulting your doctor and then seeking the right medication, which is often a difficult choice for a lot of parents, is the next step once the problem is identified thoroughly. ADHD treatment is possible, and you can save yourself a lot of hassle by seeking help early.